Hi guys, welcome to Tech First video, to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Chrome run faster and use relatively less memory. Chromium has been the culprit of using 100% of your memory if you have tons of tabs open. But there are some tweakings that you can actually do to make Chrome use less memory, okay, and also run smoother and faster, okay. So most of these Chromium browser actually do this stuff in the background, run lots of stuff in the background and eat up your memory and make your PC uh, slow and laggy. Sometimes you won't be able to work on any other projects if you have Chrome browser or any Chromium browsers open. So I'll actually show you how to tweak some of these Chrome settings so that it doesn't actually use that much memory available on your PC. Okay, so first thing first, so first open your Chrome browser. You can actually see that there are tons of tabs open here, and many of you may have the same way, hundreds of tabs. Some people with lots of tab groups. And here you can see that on the task manager, 62% of the total memory of my PC is in use, right? And most of them is actually used by, of course, Chrome, Google Chrome. You can see that, okay? But with these many tabs, on Task Manager, it's supposed to show 100%. I mean, memory usage in 100%, but you don't see that. It's just 60. Almost 40% is left so that I can actually use other applications in the background. Even if I keep this Chrome browser open, nothing is gonna affect the performance of my PC right now because I have 40% left here. Okay, so what you needed to do is just go to Chrome settings, then go to performance, and here is where you actually tweak some of these settings. Okay, so you can actually, if you want to, inactive tabs appears, a dotted circle appears around side icons. Just enable it. It's not going to affect the performance of your PC, so just enable it because you're going to do some other stuff. Some things you may need it. And the next thing you needed to do is just enable this one, memory saver. So Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Chrome fast. And your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. So you might be wondering, if you want to keep some of these tabs actually active in the background, I think you don't need it actually, right? So the problem with the most of these pages is on browsers, they are active even when you are not on that particular page. So it's actually using memory in the background. So enabling this, disable these tabs from using memory in the background or working in the background. So there are different options here if you want to enable it: moderate and balanced and maximum. I always set it to maximum because I know if I don't go to any of these pages, I don't want them work in the background. So I set it to maximum. Okay. And the next thing you needed to enable is this preload pages. So when you enable it, there are two options here: extended preloading. More pages are preloaded. Pages may be preloaded through the Google servers when requested by other sites. And there is this standard preloading. I set it to standard preloading because I have some, trading pages and stuff. So I just set it to standard preloading. I don't want all of them preload from the servers. So yeah. So these two options actually make your Chrome run smoother and faster and use relatively low memory on your PC, and it reduces the burden on your PC. Okay. And if you go to appearance, and there is these two options here. Okay, show tab preview images. Just disable it. You don't need it. Okay, if you hover over any of these tabs, you can see that name of that particular tab. You don't need images to show. So if I enable, you can see that it will actually show the screenshot of the image of that particular tab. But you don't need it. It actually uses extra memory when you enable it. So just disable it. And there's also show tab memory usage if you want to. But if you hover over the tab, it actually shows tab memory, but it's not Show it's not showing now right now. I'll show you. Yeah, here you can see that memory usage 141 MB. So you can actually disable and enable it. It's up to you. Okay, but I have it enabled. I don't know. So these are the major features that you need to enable or disable. So if you go to performance, you can enable memory saver and preload page. And if you want the Chrome to work smoother when you watch videos on YouTube, you can actually go to systems and enable use graphics acceleration when available. If you have just do graphics time, if your PC is powerful enough and to let it use your graphics acceleration, so you can actually enable it, which makes video streaming and browser-based games work smoother and faster. So just enable it, okay? So otherwise, just disable it. Sometimes it can actually go glitches, if your PC is not powerful enough. In that case, just disable it, okay? Then another thing, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You don't need it, just disable it, okay? So if you have some extensions that you want to work in the background, in that case you will have to enable it, okay? So yeah, just disable it. Then if you have many useless extensions, you need to disable them as well. Just go to extensions page. If you go here and extensions, manage extensions, and from here you can actually enable and disable extensions. You may have installed many extensions when you wanted them and forgot the fact that you have them enabled and you don't use them any longer. This can actually cause problems because these extensions actually use memory in the background. So disable all those extensions that you no longer need or you no longer use. Just disable. And if you don't want them, just remove it. If you don't want them. If you want to, you can actually install later. These features that you have enabled and disabled actually make Chrome work smoother and faster, use less memory, and let you work on other projects as well, use other applications on your PC. And your PC must be smoother right now. So that's it. And you can here see that my PC is still using just 63% of my memory. So I still have 40% left. So I can actually run other applications in the background, even if the Chrome is on. Okay. So that's it. I hope this helps. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.